Thank you and welcome back to our channel and Marco Pro. In today's video, I would like to demonstrate to you how to use a eye wash. This is from Bachelom and is a saline eye wash, and I'm going to show you how do I do it. Every eye wash will come with this tiny cup. So first thing first, you try to rinse the cup around and then fill the cup half full, like this much, all right? And then you actually press your eyes over it to make sure it seals and nothing spill, and you tilt your head to the back. And in this case, right now, since the water is not leaking, you start to blink your eyes and try to roll your eyeballs left, right, up and down, and try to blink. Then, all set. Then you spill all the water and you get the other half. And you do the same thing. Cover your eye, tilt back, and stop blinking your eyes. At the same time, roll your eyes left, right, up, and down. Ta-da! And we are all set. You can do this when you feel there are dust or sand that's flying into your eyes. And sometimes if you wake up in the morning due to too long of a nap or due to too much Facebook, Instagram, Clubhouse, WeChat, Twitter, whatever that you are doing on your phone, sometimes your eyes is very stressed and it gets very fuzzy. So you can do this as well. And now, as you know, the seasonal allergy is coming, right? When you walk out, there's a lot of pollens flying around and your eyes start to water, start to tears. What you can do before your allergy antihistamine eye drop is to wash your eyes with saline water first to kind of clear out all the pollen, all the unnecessary stuff that's in your eye. Then apply your Pataday or Patanol or ketotifen, azelastine, cromolyn, just name a few. So keep up with what you do, and hopefully that this year our eyes will be crystal clear. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel as well, and I will bring you more useful videos in the future. And let me know in the comments below what type of video you want me to post. It could be for skincare, it could be for medical, it could be anything that you want, and let me work on it. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.